Welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now, a lot of you guys have really enjoyed the van tours that we've been doing. We've got quite a lot of vans going out to customers, and we thought it would be a great thing to just show you around all the sort of unique vans that go out there. There's loads of options for when you build your dream camper van. You can choose the colour of your furniture, a lot of the features inside it. This van even has a two-tone paint job, which we got done for the customer. So we do have a lot of unique vans going out of the place, and we'd really like to show you them. So if you come on round, I'll show you some of the features in this van. So all our conversions come with our own Jerba elevating roof, which you can see up there. The Jerba elevating roof features strengthened gas struts, thicker, bigger hinges, just for crosswinds and to make it a harder wearing roof. It's going to last you a lot longer, and it's also a lot easier to push up just because we have these bigger gas struts installed. Now, I'll just jump in. Oh. As you can see inside, this van has some stitched leather seats, and we have a whole range of leather colours to choose from. The customer's gone for a black on grey on white with the VW, and it looks fantastic. And we also have driftwood furniture. We have a range of different furniture boards to choose from. Vitrifrigo fridge. Now this is our Tyree layout. The Tyree is a short wheelbase kitchen in the front elevation camper van, and it has the double seat in the back, but we can fit 3 seat in the back if you need to take 5 passengers. And of course, with all the rib seats, they very quickly fold down into a bed. And you get a nice wide full-length bed with the option of an extension piece at the front, which brings this bed out to 6.6 feet. So if you're tall, we've got you covered. And if you can have a look in here, you see that under the rib seat, there's a lot of storage space, which is fantastic for all your bedding. And we keep this porta potty in here, which can slide out the front of the bed. I'll just pop this back over, super simple. And if you can see it, elevating roof bed up top, which is super easy to just push out the way. It's really comfortable. We've gone for the beach slide roof bed, which we make ourselves for our roof, and it's been really well received. People really like it. And there's a double depth sort of trunk in here, which goes all the way to the floor, which is great for storing all sorts of things. Up in the top lockers, big enough for a can of beans, which is very important if you're camping. And this van has gas, but again, we can fit it with a range of different cookers. You can go for a Wallace diesel-fired hob or a diesel hot plate. There's really quite a lot out there. And then sink. And this van is a Volkswagen T6.1, which is what we're now converting, unless you have your own van. We can do a conversion in a T5, a T6, but from new, we're converting to T6.1. And it's a really, really nice van. The dash, I don't know if you can come around and see it, has been totally transformed. It looks fantastic. We've got the new radio system which is just so much fun to play with. It's got so many new features, and it's, yeah, really, really nice. It's great to drive. And of course, as standard in all conversions, the front seats swivel, and this one also has a Webasto night heater to keep the van warm at nights if you're sleeping out in the winter. And it just comes out under the front seat there, and it's controlled in the back panel here. So yeah, try to do more of these videos just showing you around the vans that are coming out of our workshop. Hopefully you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video.